Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teaching of Chefina Anish.
Today we are going to learn about phonic sounds. How many phonic sounds are in English? There are 44 phonic sounds are in English. Today we are going to learn about 26 phonic sounds. Okay, let us begin. Can you identify this letter? Yes, this is the letter A, and the phonic sound of this letter A is A. And can you identify this letter? This letter is B, and the phonic sound of the letter B is B. C, K. D, the sound D. E, the sound A. This is the letter F and the sound F. G, K. H, H. I, E. J, the phonic sound of this letter J is J. K, K. L, L. The phonic sound of this letter M, M. Letter N and the sound N. O and the sound O. P, the sound will be P. Q, Q. The letter R, the sound R. S and the sound S. T, the letter T and the sound T. Letter U, V and the phonic sound B. W and the sound W. X, X, the phonic sound X. Y, Y. Z and the sound Z.
I will repeat all these 26 phonic sounds with a wonderful chart. A, apple. P, butterfly. K, cake. D, dinosaur. A, egg. F, frog. G, guitar. H, horse. E, ink. J, jacket. K, kangaroo. L, lion. Mouse. Noodle. O, ostrich. P, penguin. Qu, queen. R, reindeer. Sun. T, tortoise. Umbrella. B, van. Wolf. X, xylophone. Y, York. zebra. All of you have to do the practice at least twice in a day. If you like my class, please subscribe my channel, and we will meet in our next class with a wonderful phonics sounds activity. Thank you.